Okay, you guys, we are in Peoria, Arizona, and came driving by these. Look at these. Look at these rock. These are so cool. Let me see if I can. Look at that. It's all fenced in. We can't get in. But I thought it was worth stopping. Look at that, door's open and everything. We can't get in there. Those are old. Those are really, really old. And the whole place is locked up tight. And then there's this thing up here. I'm thinking maybe it was a hotel of some kind, like a little motel, because there's a sign. Looks like there was a sign. Right. There was it say? Well, that says something mart. So maybe this was some kind of mart, mini mart. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm gonna peek in here even though it says the sidewalk's closed. You can see in there. Pretty dark, can't see much, but oh, maybe. Oh, it's all broke up too. I better get back out of the. Look at that rock work. Isn't that just cool? I bet that's a fireplace right there. Maybe, I don't know. There was some kind of sign right there. Look at that. Look at how old that door is. Sun is really shining. I can't see. We're not getting it very good. Yeah, this is cool. Really cool rock work on this building. The sun is coming down and it's really blocking. Trying to get this as best I can, you guys. But I'm not sure how good I'm getting it. Look at this. It's like so cool. Look at that. Look at those wood slats that they made their own shade right there. And see, this here was flea market. It says flea market. So they had a flea market here for a while. Oh good, we can see in this one better. Yeah, it's hard to see in there. That was a bathroom, looks like. Back in there. It's really blurring up. It smells like poo over here really bad. Well, it's the best I'm going to be able to get in there. Look at that homemade screen. really cool. Just little huts. Look at that old rusted water heater. I don't know how good I'm getting this. The sun is shining so brightly. Like, just doesn't have any rocks on this part. I think someone added on, made them connected or something. On these ones up here too. This rock work is awesome. Look at this old door. Look at that, isn't that cool? See, somebody was trying to fix it up at one time. German Auto coffee mug. I don't know how much you can see in there. Trying. This is pretty cool. This rock work is amazing. Look at that. Look at how they got those fitting in there. So cool. To help keep the heat out in the summertime when it gets so hot here. Whoops. Then we have that. And then there's this one. Yeah, I think at one time it might have been some kind of store or something. I mean, it says flea market, but I mean a motel or something at one time. And then maybe, oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. Has a metal roof. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. So cool. Really like it. My cousin saw that. I was looking the other way and I didn't see it. Hi. Do you know what this used to be? It looks like it, huh?
A long time ago, 50 years ago. They never do anything with it.
It's got such cool rock work on there. Yeah, had to stop and film it.
We haven't worked on the road for a couple of weeks.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like a shit. Everybody has to go out of their way. It's all detour.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Okay, I'll see you.
You have a good day. So I was right. About 50 years ago, this was a motel. So that's pretty cool. Oh, they used to do recycling here also. See? Cool. Had a flea market here. 50 years ago, it was a motel. And yeah, look at the tag on those trains over there. All the tagging. Can't see it very good, I don't think, though. Yeah, he says they haven't worked on this road for a couple weeks, and it's a real pain in the behind. Oh. I wanted to grab a shot of the side of this tattoo shop. Check this out. I'm coming. This must be old Route 66, because look at this on the side here. It's really cool. Inktown Tattoo, US 66. Pretty cool. Alright, please like and subscribe. Please share on your social media. And have a great day. Peace.